Okay, wow, I don't even have time to explain this. I ordered the lift kit for the Juke. Might as well lift the car like I was thinking about doing so I can actually measure where the wheels would hit the fenders so that I can make a better informed decision on my wheel and tire combination. I ordered those, what is it, first week of June. It said estimated delivery July 27th. It's the 23rd. They actually showed up 2 fucking days ago. Came from Russia to my fucking house in 2 weeks. What? So that's the business what for making my car drive over the things. So I was thinking these were more of a plastic, but it's actually like legit polyurethane, so it's actually like really weird and rubbery. It was like 60 bucks for this and 60 bucks for this. So there's the 2 bolts here,
and then one in the back,
and then one underneath this thing, so we need to take this plastic piece off. And so I got the tire off now. Paint on this seems to have stood up pretty well, covered in brake dust, but you know, it was like what? I did this Easter weekend. It's almost July at this point, so beep beep bop. Okay, so we have hit a couple of snags. I'm actually not totally sure if it's possible to put these wheels on with this jack. What's the second thing? Oh yeah, my dad just took the 13mm thing and the adapter because the 13mm ones are 1/4 inch and I only have the impact adapter for the 3/8 inch, and I don't even have an extender for the fucking what is 13mm in Imperial? This is 25.4, so if it was 26 it'd be perfect. It'd be perfectly 1/2 inch. You know what, let me be an insane person. That's 3/8. I don't know, is this a smart idea? I mean, 13mm is almost 1/2 inch. Oh fuck. No, he took the stupid he took the 3/8 inch thing, because I'm an idiot. An even bigger idiot. That's it?
down, yeah.
What?
It's not gonna come down because you have to bolt the sway bar.
Unbolt the sway bar?
See how rusted it is?
Yeah, we don't have any
I have WD-40, but
yeah, I think you would need an Allen key and an actual like wrench out to here to do that. Okay, so it's a little more complicated than we bargained for. Because this is so rusted, we can't really detach those right now unless we get new hardware for it. Okay, Robbie, I don't know how much editing this is gonna do, but Robbie, wave to the camera. Hey. This is my smiley friend. Robbie, you just passed your hand in front of your face. I'm gonna have to rotoscope that. That's like, you just added like 30 minutes of work for that.
Sorry.
So it's not that Robbie doesn't want to be on camera. It's just that for the funny part of it, he just wants me to blur his face. And that's gonna just create a whole lot of work for me. So
I gotta make it hard on you.
Of course you do. What are friends for? Okay, so
where's the part to go in here?
The what? Oh shit, where is that? Here's the stick thing. Robbie's stick thing. Hey Robbie!
Yeah?
I've just been alerted to something mildly concerning.
What?
I'm missing 2 lug nuts on that side. I would rather take ones from the back, because it seems like the front ones are more important.
Is it front wheel drive?
Well, it's all-wheel drive, but I mean, it's front wheel first.
So yeah, front is kind of more important. But you will need to get some new ones.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get on that. So we tried, and we got to the same point I was when me and my dad tried it, which was that bolt right there. And we couldn't even try it last time, and we knew it was so rusty that we kind of sucked to do it anyways. And it's actually so rusted that we can't do anything about it.
Because you know I put freaking a lot on there and it still didn't budge.
This is some nice smiley face action for you. At least I managed to find out that 2 of my lug nuts were missing, which is awful. So I guess we'll try and fix that then. All right, I don't know how long it's been. Look, I finally got the lift kit on the car. And it only took me forever. Currently August 12th. Bought the car last year on August 17th. So it took me just about a year to get this far. It's lifted 35 millimeters in the front, and at the back 45 millimeters, which is about 1 3/4 inches. Good old Russian engineering. Russian polyurethane. I'm hoping those will last. I'm not sure if I'm trying to be sarcastic or make a political joke about this. Anyways, I ordered the spacers from Russia because they don't exist anywhere else. Gives me a lot of room to put new tires on. Made up these little spacer guide things, going from the original 215/55 R17s up to a 245/65 R17, which is going from a 26.3 tire. This one's a little less because of how worn it is, probably about 25.5 inches or so, all the way up to a 29.5 tire. 29.5 inch tire by 9.8. Whew. And these are gonna fill up these wheel wells pretty fucking handily. The problem is that they're so chunky, I'm definitely gonna have to cut into this side skirt and the front bumper. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and take off the fender flares, the side skirt, and these. Probably go down to Lowe's, get a little rotary tool, trim this thing down, same with the front bumper, and I guess we'll just go from there. I ordered the tires already. They're going to be here Wednesday. It is currently Sunday, and I have work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today's the only real time I'm going to have to work on the car, and I suppose I'm just going to have to run with it for 3 days. It actually doesn't look that bad without it. It's got that sort of off-road aggression to it. I like it. Alright, I guess. Welcome to the apocalypse. This is the Mad Max Juke. Okay, well that's not terrible, I suppose. It clears it by a good, 1/8 of an inch. Depending if the tires are a little oversized, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure if you took a sledgehammer to that, it would fuck something up. I'm already at the point where if these tires don't fucking spin without rubbing, I'm just gonna fucking take a sledgehammer to this fucking interior body panel here. Just like bash it out. But okay, so with the side skirt off, it actually doesn't do much. It's only about like 1/8 of an inch of plastic there. Well, let's see how much clearance we gained. Look at that. I have no idea because I didn't actually measure shit. Now, if I just take this, shove it there, hey, we got plenty of clearance. And I didn't actually take off the bumper yet, so we don't know. And, oh yeah, I have to do the second side now. Jesus Christ. Alright, so I'm back. I bought El Puerto cable cutoff device with safety protection. Didn't do much in the way of other safety protection, but right now I'm just going to be cutting the plastic bumpers. Literally cuts through plastic like butter. Pretty impressive. This is the first time I ever used a cutoff wheel, and I got that close. That's pretty good. That's actually not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bumper now here. Gonna just come down here, right missing the bolt, trying to follow this line that it creates here, and then I'll get back and see how that goes. You know what? This plastic is really soft, and I have like a decently sharp knife here. Not like super insane or anything like that, but I can just... This is an odd angle, but I can literally just... I can cut straight through this with just a regular fucking utility knife. So I think that's what I'm going to try doing next. Even though I just said I can do that with the utility knife, I think I'm just going to go ahead and hit this as close as I can with the cutoff. Because this, especially in this, just looks like kind of a pain in the ass. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, I think for the back bumper, none of these lines really match up, and it's going to be really difficult to get it looking right from the rear angle. So I'm just going to compromise for now. And I'm going to trim from this little notch here to this little notch here, and then hopefully that'll be a nice middle ground. oh hey, yeah, isn't that cool? I got one whole side finished. Yeah, man, that's looking really edgy as fuck. I gotta work on the second side now. Okay, give me a second. I just gotta change the battery because the other one died. Oh wait, these are both dead now? Son of a bitch. Conveniently enough, my mom is bitching at me to take her to the mall to go do something. I guess I'm just gonna take this. Somebody can look at this side. I'm like, okay, that guy's just riding without fender flares. That's cool, I guess. Looks kind of weird. And then somebody could be on this side and be like, oh, hey, that looks pretty nice. You know, really edgy, you know, really aggressive. That's actually, wow. On one hand, it looks really weird, but on this other hand, it looks actually pretty cool. Yeah, I love how just taking the fender flares off already makes it look more aggressive. Look at me, I'm doing all the Jeep stuff. I'm like taking off fender flares, you know, fender flare delete and shit, lift kit. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Damn, son, and this is gonna have even bigger tires next time you see it. That's gonna be insane. Holy shit. This thing is gonna be fucking complete nonsense. Oh my god, I fucking love it. Remember to leave your surroundings even better than when you found them, kids. I went to Boy Scouts once.